Jose! How convenient. It got that chili in it, but it's still sweet. What?
Did you get your boosters?
I got a tetanus shot, and I got blood drawn. I went to the doctor the first time in like 10 years, so they were just like, you need to get a lot of shots. I was like, okay. And they have a 0 record of me because I didn't really go to the doctor that much as a kid, so. Yep. So they gotta see if I'm like diabetic, high blood pressure, cholesterol, all the goodies. And you just need to get the roof, Aaron. Oh, and the hood. See these emblems right here? They spin. So the BMW always stays upright. The dementors. Oh man, just ugh. And then for lunch is gruel. Just gruel. That's what we use. Gruel on top of gruel.
Yeah, mouth.
The only sugar that touches my mouth is boba.
I'm glad you finished that sentence.
Ooh, boba.
In Dutch.
I rarely drink Dutch Bros. I only get Dutch Bros when it's free.
Oh, so every time.
Ah, that's once a week. Full wash.
What is this?
Dog. Looking at the dog here on the inside. Leaving kids stealing shit.
What's the best part and the worst part about being this busy?
Nothing really. It's really hot. If it was 80 degrees, I could do this all day. For 12 hours straight if I wanted to. That's what I used to do. 8 to 8. It's such a chill job.
But today it's not 80, it's officially 100. Bet that dude from Louisiana feels pretty stupid right about now.
You get a lot of comments.
Eight on a scale from 1 to 10, how bad is this car?
It's like a 7.
Not the worst you've ever seen?
How you doing, Aaron? Need anything?
Emotional support?
He's not here yet. Can you double check the Tacoma?
Look at Aaron.
Because this one's almost done. They're gonna leave the same time.
Yeah.
What the hell is this thing?
That's for like dressing floor mats. Or dressing fender wells. Just for whatever you want, big dog. You know? I know you like those big things, Aaron.
Sure.
Whatever imagination you bring to you. Hey, we got time today, cuz. We got time today. What's up, cuz? What's up, cuz? I got time today, cuz. What's up?
I wish
he. You know he died, right? He died. That kid died.
Who died?
That kid that says that, like skinny, scrawny kid. Let's go, cuz. I got time today, cuz. I got time today. I was like, oh, easy. Classic video. You young chaps are too young for that.
I wish customers would come in and Len would talk to them like that.
What's up, cuz?
Yeah, we got availability today, cuz.
Yeah, what's up, cuz? Hey. Wait, why you gotta say it like that?
What do you mean? I said it just the way you said it.
No, you're definitely different. I was saying it in my head the way you said it. I had to keep. And I was like, that's not the way you said it. That's definitely not the way I said it.
Something's wrong about that pronunciation.
It wasn't what you said, it was how you said it. I hate doing inside windows.
What is that?
Just because you gotta like climb and crawl and, you know, get in there. Get the hell out of the way. I love Aiden. Aiden's funny. So if you don't know, Kyrie, Aiden, and Jeremiah went to high school together and the best buds. And they're just
Yeah, we're waiting for it.
he literally is Jeremiah's twin. They talk. He literally came in, and he's like, "Hey, how's it going?" And Ali thought it was Jeremiah. She turned around and go say hi, and it was him. They talk exactly the same.
Oh, Petey?
Yeah.
He's
Like-
just the short, fat version of me.
Why you gotta throw fat in there?
He just said short, but okay.
I'm just too
Knock him when he's down. All right, I got you.
He can't defend himself.
He has high blood pressure and just struggling.
got a condition of type 2 diabetes.
He's like, he's just a short, fat, depressed, ugly version of Jeremiah.
Damn, like that, okay? Can you get the floor mat for me, Aiden? It looks like a brand new car.